What up, y'all? 87SS boy, back with another video, man. Had to grab my little bulbs out of here. So today we're gonna be replacing the turn signals, the front turn signals on my 2019 Dodge Durango RT. This should go for any Durango, any 2019 Durango. I'm not sure what the I'm not sure what years are the same. I'm not really a Dodge guy. This is my first Dodge, so I haven't really followed up on it too much. But my passenger side signal light is out. So that signal light is 4157. It is an amber bulb, as you can see. It's an amber bulb. It goes right in here. I probably should replace both of them at the same time, but for the sakes of time in this video, I'm not. I'm only going to replace one, but I will be replacing both of them because when one go out, the other one is not far behind it, if y'all don't know that. So good thing about the Durango, but with any car, it normally tells you, you know, you can get there'll be a sign that your turn signals are about to go bad. So actually I can leave my baby up there. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna turn on my left. Oh, look at there already. I ain't even have to do nothing. It says, Bert, where you go? Let me go to messages. It'll tell me. Yeah, messages right there. It tells you right front turn signal light is out. And it even got the little bulb right there to show you. So it says right left turn signal is out. Alright. So when I turn on my left turn signal, y'all see how it flashes at a slow pace like it's supposed to. Now look when I turn on my right one. See that? So normally with any car, you know, just a little lesson here. With any car, if your turn signal is out, normally it'll flash like this, real fast, versus slow like that. All right. So, and like I said, the good thing about this Durango, it tells me which one is out. Sometimes you won't know. So like if I turn it on, let's see if it's actually, sometimes it'll still flash, which is not, but this door one right here is flashing. You see how fast that's flashing? And then my back one is flashing too, but this one is not. So let's see about when we turn on the hazards. So we're gonna turn that signal light off and we're gonna turn the hazards on. Huh, see? Learning something myself. I turn the hazards on, they blink normally. See that? But of course, you see that one is out. But the ones on the side mirrors are blinking slowly as normal. So that's something that I learned. All right, so let's go ahead and get this done. First thing we're gonna do is pop this hood latch right there. This is gonna be an easy one. This passenger side one is easy because I actually looked at it already to see what I needed to do. Didn't watch any YouTube videos or anything like that, but now see, look at the driver's side light right here. So guess what's right behind that? This is your AC, not your AC, your intake right here. So all this has to be removed just so you can take that bulb out on the driver's side. That's why I'm not doing a video on that side. I'm doing the one that's broken. I might come back and do one on there, maybe, but this whole air box has to be removed so that you can get to the bulb. That's crazy, right? Crazy work, man, crazy work. All right, so back in here, So right behind here, I'm gonna put my hand back here. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't think y'all can. But all you do is turn it. You're gonna find that where that bulb is. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise, which is towards the driver's side. And this is the bulb. And just looking at it, it looked like it's fine. Like, I still see the filament in there and everything, which is weird. But it also looks like it's a little overheating or something around there. So we're gonna pull this out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so let me set y'all down. Set my camera up right here. Alright. Can y'all still see me? Nope, you can't. There we go. So I'm gonna pull this out. It don't look bad or anything. And like I said, I see both filaments in there. Oh no, it don't look burnt. That's just the way it's made. So I've definitely seen some burnt ones before, but that's just how it's made. So we're gonna open up our new package here. Like I said, it's 4157 NA. The amber bulb goes in there. I know a lot of people say, oh, put on gloves and all that. I normally do. I don't have my gloves right now, so it is what it is. If I have to replace it again, I just gotta replace it again. So pop it in just like that. And then put it back in the hole. Let's see. See if we can find that thing. There it go. Can y'all see that? I don't think you can. So find it. All right. So now we done replaced it. We're gonna see what it do. I just cut my hazards on. Let's see if we got signal lights now. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. So the bulb just had to be replaced. And just like that, we back in business. Now, like I said, for that driver's side, it's gonna be a lot more work than that, man. A lot more work than that on that passenger side. But you can hear the relay clicking too. Yes, sir. So easy little task there. I ain't got to worry about that now. Yes, sir. Easy task. So no stored messages anymore, as you can see. Turn on my signal light. It's flashing as normal. Left is flashing as normal. Y'all let me know if you want me to come back and give y'all a video on how to do the driver's side one, because like I said, the driver's side one is it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. You can't just reach down in there, turn it and pull it out. That driver's side, you gotta actually take the air intake, something just fell. You actually gotta take the air intake, you know, the air filter and stuff off in order to get back in there and change it. Like I said, I know what I should do, but I really don't feel like doing it because I don't feel like being bothered with it. But I fixed what was broken, and now we back in business. And I got an extra bulb here for the driver's side. So I appreciate y'all tapping in with me, man. Hopefully, maybe I taught you something that you didn't know. If you got a Durango and you was wondering how to put that bulb in and don't want to pay nobody $50, $60, $70 to replace it, go get you a $10 bulb. It ain't even $10. I think this is like $8. $8 pack of bulbs. Pop it out, pop it back in, and you back in business. Let go.